Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your Ps4 is online and you are signed into PSN. This gives the permissions needed to share. Once done, check controller connection and ensure your network is stable so streams won't lag. Open Settings, go to Sharing and Broadcasts, and set Capture Gallery and Broadcast settings to Allowed. This enables screen sharing and streaming features. Make sure your privacy settings allow live broadcasts and that you've linked any required accounts so you can share. You press the Share button once to open the quick menu, then choose whether to broadcast gameplay or share screen via Party for direct viewers. If broadcasting, pick your platform, enter title and video quality, and toggle microphone and party audio so viewers hear what you want. If sharing to a party, select Share Screen, pick which user or party member will view, and confirm. Adjust resolution and commentary settings to balance quality and bandwidth. This prevents stutter during the middle of your session. You complete the process by starting the broadcast or confirming share screen. Watch the on-screen status icon to verify viewers can see your feed. To finish, press Share again and stop sharing, and optionally save recorded clips to Capture Gallery. If viewers report problems, first restart the Ps4 and router, then check NAT type and available upload bandwidth. Low bandwidth or strict NAT often blocks streams. If the problem persists, relink your streaming account or lower resolution to stabilize the connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.